In the name of Allah, the All-Beneficent, the All-Merciful. An introduction to Iran's academic capacities. The history of scientific activities in Iran goes back to ancient times. Iran's Nasibain and Jundi Shapur academies were the oldest scientific centers in the world some 1700 years ago. The first modern center of higher education was founded in Iran about 200 years ago. Presently, more than 3 million Iranian and 90,000 foreign students pursue their higher education in 3,000 academic courses under the supervision of 80,000 faculty members in 2,183 government and non-governmental Iranian universities. Iranian universities educate and train their students in medical sciences, humanities, engineering and art, and comprise knowledge-based departments, startups, centers of biological technologies, stem cells, high-tech, nanotechnology and artificial intelligence, as well as science and technology parks. Besides university faculties of theology, Iran has made it possible for those interested in religious sciences to pursue their higher education in religious seminaries. Iran ranks 4th in the world in producing scholarly papers in nanotechnology. It ranks 1st in the region and 13th in the world in the area of stem cells, and more than 160 knowledge-based companies and 21 centers of cell transplant are active in this field. In the field of medical sciences, Iran ranks 1st in the production of drugs and vaccines in West Asia, and ranks 4th in the production of biopharmaceutical drugs in Asia. Presently, Iran is one of the successful centers of organ transplants. The outstanding level of higher education, rich culture and civilization, climatic and food diversity, tourist attractions, affordable cost of education and living, security and Iranian hospitality are the main factors that attract foreign students. Learning the Persian language, the possibility of getting scholarship, facilitating visas for the families of students, medical insurance, and dormitory facilities are among other advantages for foreign students interested in studying in Iran. Based on the latest reliable information published in the Web of Science and according to the Nature Index ranking system, Iran was one of the top 30 countries in the world in 2023 from the academic point of view. Similarly, in the ranking system of Times magazine, 47 Iranian universities are among the top universities in the world, and according to the Shanghai ARWU, Iran ranks 1st among Islamic countries in terms of the number of universities. More than 450 non-medical science associations and 350 medical science associations are active in Iran. Iran's governmental and non-governmental universities and research centers are fully prepared to cooperate with other universities of the world in such areas as exchange of faculty members, sabbaticals, and admitting foreign students. For more information, visit the Cultural Center of the Embassy of the Islamic Republic of Iran in your country or www.studyiniran.saorg.ir, www.msrt.ir, or www.iau.ir.